Sit comfortably at a small wooden table in your backyard. It barely fits four, with two simple wooden chairs. Take a slow, deep breath in and let it drift out. Imagine the small yard around you. A single orange tree stands nearby, its leaves glistening. A few oranges hang low, ripe and ready to pick. Notice the gentle sounds, the soft drip of water. Hear the faint rustle of branches. The kettle whistles from inside. Rise and walk to the kitchen. Hear the kettle finish. As you pour tea, pour into a clear glass with a handle. Notice the warmth, the soft steam rising. The subtle aroma of tea fills the air. Return to your small wooden table. The rain has stopped. The ground is wet. The earthy scent of the garden fills your senses. Feel the fresh, cool air on your skin. Feel the gentle dampness of the world. Reach out for the nearest orange. Feel its smooth, slightly cool skin. Notice the weight of it in your hand. See its bright color against green leaves. Feel the promise of sweet juice inside. Take a slow sip of your tea. Breathe in the quiet of this moment. If your mind drifts, that's okay. Gently bring it back to this story. Feel the taste, scent, and feel of your surroundings. Return to the present, to this simple act. Meditation doesn't need to be long or still. It is in these small, mindful moments, sitting, observing, reaching, tasting, presence, calm, and joy are found. Take one last deep breath in, exhale slowly, carrying the warmth with you.